Today, we're going to talk about keto meal plans and delicious recipes for quick and healthy weight loss. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Breakfast, keto pancakes. Who says you can't have pancakes on a keto diet? These pancakes are made with almond flour and coconut flour, and they're topped with butter and sugar-free maple syrup. They're a delicious and satisfying way to start your day. Snack, keto avocado egg salad. This snack is packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, and it's easy to make. Just mix together some mashed avocado, hard-boiled eggs, and chopped celery, and season with salt and pepper. You can enjoy it with some keto-friendly crackers or vegetables. Lunch, keto grilled chicken salad. This salad is a great option for a quick and healthy lunch. It's made with grilled chicken, mixed greens, avocado, tomatoes, and a homemade keto-friendly dressing. It's full of flavor and nutrients, and it's easy to customize with your favorite toppings. Dinner, keto garlic butter steak. This steak is seasoned with garlic, butter, and herbs, and it's cooked to perfection. It's a great option for a quick and satisfying dinner, and it's easy to pair with some roasted vegetables or a side salad. Snack, keto chocolate peanut butter fat bombs. These fat bombs are a delicious and satisfying way to satisfy your sweet tooth on a keto diet. They're made with peanut butter, coconut oil, and cocoa powder, and they're a great option for an afternoon snack or a post-dinner treat. Breakfast, keto egg muffins. These egg muffins are a great option for a quick and easy breakfast on the go. They're made with eggs, cheese, and your choice of veggies, and they're easy to customize to your liking. They're also a great option for meal prepping. Lunch, keto tuna salad lettuce wraps. These lettuce wraps are a great option for a low-carb and keto-friendly lunch. They're made with canned tuna, mayo, and celery, and they're served on a bed of lettuce leaves. They're easy to make and pack for lunch on the go. Dinner, keto beef and broccoli stir fry. This stir fry is a great option for a quick and easy dinner that's also keto friendly. It's made with tender beef, broccoli, and a flavorful sauce made with soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. It's a great way to get in some protein and veggies in one meal. Snack, keto cheesecake bites. These cheesecake bites are a delicious and satisfying way to indulge in something sweet on a keto diet. They're made with cream cheese, almond flour, and sweetener, and they're easy to make and store in the fridge for a quick snack. Breakfast, keto smoothie bowl. This smoothie bowl is a great option for a refreshing and healthy breakfast. It's made with frozen berries, almond milk, and your choice of keto-friendly protein powder. It's topped with nuts, seeds, and coconut flakes for added texture and flavor. So there you have it, 10 delicious and healthy keto meal plan recipes for quick and easy weight loss. Remember to incorporate a variety of these recipes into your weekly meal plan for a well-rounded and satisfying diet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and share if you found this video helpful.